The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Nice, beautiful day driving the Porsche. We got some sunshine finally, no rain, and we're flying our colors, man. And we're going on a parade.
Independence Day, we need to celebrate. Everybody out there's got that. So thankful that all of you came out. Our goal today is to show the flag. I'm thinking the 3P. Be patient, be positive, be patriotic. We are celebrating the most influential nation that this world has ever seen for the
Amen.
Be proud of
Liberty and justice for all.
And we ended our get-together with the Pledge of Allegiance, and I literally was in tears. And we are off on a wonderful parade all over Bellingham and Whatcom County.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second lean play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second lean play app at PaulAkers.net.